afternoon, folks. Brent Hands with Valley Plains Equipment. We got Gage Sunquist up in the cab now with one of our loyal customers. We got the S7800 going, and as people can tell, we don't have the very best ideal conditions for us out here in wheat today, but we're pushing through. We're crawling. We're making the combine work, and what we did was we just took a sample. And what we do with a sample is we dropped a bushel plus pan, and we recorded our grain loss here. And as I said, we're pushing this machine hard, and as hard as we can. And if we came up with loss per acre, we're going to point to that in and see what we get on the next canvas.
Hello again, Brent here with Valley Plains. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop that pan again. This will be our third drop. And first pan we found 10 kernels, like we discussed, so that came out to a 30 bushel loss. And our second pan we had absolutely nothing in it. So we're going to do a third pan now that we got the harvest automation completely running on its own with the ground speed. And we're going to see what we get. So here's our pan. It lays down real nice. It's got good weight, so it falls straight down, and it allows that whatever's coming out of the chat after the spinners and fall right in our pan here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that, clean it up, put it in our air separator, blow all the chaff out, and we're going to see if we can find any kernels. So as you can see, we take the contents of the pan, we put it in our air separator here, and we use that to blow out as much of the chaff as we can, and then we just kind of finger through this. And I guess what we're seeing here, I found 2 kernels so far. And on our first drop we had 10, and that came out to that third of a bushel. So our second pan, we found a couple of real small ones that we wouldn't be too concerned with anyway. And even on this one now, and that was coming through some lodge wheat that was really down, and we were really forcing that ground speed automation to help us pull through that. To go through that and have things spike and be at 105% horsepower, to find only 2 kernels, that's actually really saying something. So even with our unideal conditions today, we're actually pretty impressed with this machine and what we're finding. And it's all thanks to this bushel plus pan here. Stay tuned, there's going to be more demoing to come.